Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Ryobi 18V wet and dry vac bucket top. So this is the tool only, and you can purchase it with the 18V battery. So inside you got the bucket top wet and dry vac, you get the hose, user manual, the crevice tool, and then it comes with one filter. So this filter is when you're doing the dry vacuuming, and then if you want to do the wet vacuuming, you just remove this filter. So briefly going over some specs, this is compatible with your 18V batteries. The airflow is up to 45 CFM. It weighs in at 4.25 pounds, and it also comes with a 4-foot hose. This can fit on your standard 5-gallon buckets, and it can be used for wet or dry vacuuming. All right, so I have a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket here. Basically, you just get the vacuum and just press it. You'll hear the click, and it's that simple. Then get your battery, insert it. Then you have the hose here. Insert one end. Then you can attach the crevice tool as well. And turning it on, this is how it sounds. All right, I have some dirt here by the door, so let's see if we can pick it up. So looking at the debris that we were able to get in that short period of time, it definitely works. And again, you can use this with any 5-gallon bucket. And if you want to do it with the wet feature, you just have to remove the filter. Okay, so that's a look at the Ryobi bucket top wet and dry vac. Very versatile and compact, and works with your 18V batteries. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.